It's time for MX Worldwide, where racing meets reality.
Hey there everyone, Tyler here with MX Worldwide. I'm going to give you guys a quick look at the Baan Motocross facility in Kanchanaburi, Thailand. This is a world-class facility with tons and tons of potential. Right here I'm giving you guys a quick look at the restaurant at the front of the facility. They have amazing food. It also has a lot of Brian and Boeing Gyles memorabilia and trophies on display up here in the front. Now we're going to head to the back where the track is and give you guys a quick look at Boeing and Brian Gyles. Enjoy.